These are the elevators at the Holiday Inn, Morgantown, Pennsylvania. They're Otis. There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Oh, early series one. Let's go to 5. Let's go to 4. Here we go. Let's do class leveling. We got to 1. This is cool. This hotel is cool. Installed in. Who knows? Here are 1. They do not classic leveling. Set this one up and we'll get the other. Going up?
Yeah.
Oh, we got this one. Let's go up to 4. Here we go. Here are 1. No, only 4. Going down? Which floor? 1?
1, please. One more count.
Otis? Yep. Which floor?
1.
Level 1. It's an Otis. Cool house is glass. Very nice elevator. I like the glass window. Stop at 3. Going down? Going down? Which floor?
First.
Lobby level?
Yep.
I think we can do that. Oh gosh, just go. Oh gosh.
One more.
It's gonna be.
I'll suck in the gut.
You're going to 1.
One's good, man.
Thank you.
Series 1 fixtures. Hands. No phone. Oh gosh. This thing's busy.
Now we're gonna get tight one.
Guess they're waiting for the next one.
Yep.
Whoa. Whoa. You're waiting for the next one? This was probably installed in the early 90s, late 1980s. These are nice elevators. They're nice elevators.
Made it.
We made it. There you go.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You have a good morning.
2. Great job.
Let's watch it go up. Let's watch it go up. We're going to watch it go up. We will watch it go up. This place is cool.